Hi friends, I'm Siddharth and you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a picture or image on your WPS Office writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So to insert the images or pictures on WPS Office writer, you just go to the insert option here. So it is also mentioning about the advanced option in the pictures. You just click on the pictures option here. Then you can see two options. This is the thing that if you are having internet connection, you can see you can insert the pictures from the web. So there's a lot more options from here. You can click on the view more option, and there is two options on the top. One from the file. So insert pictures from file, or click on the OCR, convert the picture to the text. So if you want to convert any pictures to the text format, you can use this option. This is a super advanced option in a WPS Office. So I just click on the from file, just click here, insert picture. So it automatically open your computer folder. So here you can insert any images from here. You can see file types. There are all file types have been accepted here. So I just click my logo here, and my logo, after inserting my logo, you can see a picture tool has been appeared here. So if you click anywhere on the screen, the tool will disappear. Don't worry, if you go to the tools, it will not show here. If you just click the image, you can see the picture tool automatically updated here, and you can see you have another option called add pictures. Now select the image, it automatically, you can see the image has been replaced, and you can replace it again, and you can also resize the image by using this option, particular option. And there is a lot more options like text wrapping or zooming. For example, I just need to zoom here, and it can also close this crop option, and image to OCR, which means convert the pictures to text. I just click here, you can see it automatically processed, and you can see a lot of the more options like here, and click OK. So try this option. You can easily insert the picture from this option and make use of the advanced options too, so in WPS Office writer. And if you like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office writer, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.